You can see the security over there. They're making sure that everyone is walking through a particular aisle. Okay. Oh, from Abuja, welcome. Thanks for watching. You can see the crowd of people coming in all the way from that end. Can you see that? All the way from there down to the ground. They are trooping in with their luggages and with their hopes and faith that they will definitely receive what they came here for. Yes, I think a vehicle just arrived over there, so a lot of them are just arriving. Yes, that vehicle just moved. Of course, just dropped off. Hundreds of people still chipping in. And this is the security post. I'm standing at right now. They are really trying to coordinate the vehicles, the bikes, the commuters. Alright, so where are you coming from? Put it in the comment section. Guys, where you're coming from. Welcome to Zion City. Welcome everybody. Yes, hundreds of thousands of people are still tripping in as we speak. Wow. The crusade hasn't even started yet. Imagine what's going to happen tomorrow on day one. Imagine what's going to happen tomorrow, guys. Imagine what is going to happen. Everyone is coming in from different parts of the continent, straight to this pilgrim ground, to this ground of signs, wonders, and miracles. I don't know where you are while you are not here yet. I'm not sure what you're doing, where you are, but I'll advise you to hurry down here because this is where it's going to be happening for the next 3 days. A lot of people are already receiving their miracles. I'm sure you saw updates of what went down at the grotto yesterday, and there's still a lot of crowd at the grotto, still hoping to get that miraculous water flowing from the grotto of our Queen Mother, Blessed Virgin Mary. So yes, this is a pilgrim ground, in my opinion, and it should be for you. So come with your faith, your hopes, and your problems, and you will definitely not go back with them, and you will never leave or remain the same. Alright? Welcome. Okay, so we can see that the security here. We will go forward as well to see how the security persons are actually controlling the commuters, that's the vehicles, the bikes, and preventing them from causing any form of congestion. Alright, so let's just go forward a bit and see how they are working over there. In a few hours, hopefully by the grace of God, every year, a day before the day one, the spiritual director comes in. Of course, I'm sure a lot of you are waiting for that as well. I know. Alright? Yes, so the security here, you can see the van, they are mounted. mounted, ready for any form of misbehavior. You will be reprimanded for sure. So don't think that this place is not secured. It is very secured. The security is very ready for you. Anyone who decides to come here to misbehave, I'm sorry. These guys will come out for you. They are ready. They are positioned. They are positioned in every corner. At every corner. You can see how they are, even the Navy, they are positioned at every corner. Yes. You see how they are stopping the bikes, telling them where to pass and where not to pass. This is the entrance. This is the entrance that leads all the way down to Zion ground at the back. Okay? So a lot of them are still coming anyways, coming through. We're expecting a lot of buses, about 70 buses from Enugu, 70 from Rivers, even, a lot of them are coming through. We're super excited for this. We're super excited for this crusade. Oh, wow. So yes, we are ready for all of you this year. Zion Ministry is a movement, it's a global movement, and the crusade will not stop. It will not stop. It is holding, it is live and direct here at Ngorokpala in Imo State. Yes. So hurry down to Zion permanent site. You can see people coming in mass. In fact, if we move from here, if time permits, we'll go straight to the tents and see what's going on there as well. A lot of people have secured their seats. They are not even ready to stand up from those chairs till Sunday. They are not ready to stand up from those chairs till Sunday, I can assure you of that one. So you see, everyone is coming, the sick, those who are downtrodden, who are looking for healing, come, hurry down. This is your last bus stop. Trust me when I tell you this. This is your last bus stop. Okay? Of course, definitely the drones will fly. Tomorrow you see a whole lot of crowd. It will be a mammoth crowd, a crowd you've never ever seen before. You thought last year was big. This year will be bigger, better. In fact, the crowd will be enormous. But we'll be able to manage that crowd because Zion City is big enough for the whole world to come through. Alright? Yes, so don't forget the date is 21st to the 23rd of August 2026. A lot of them are still coming in. Can you see that? Not a dull moment at this entrance gate, to be honest. Never a dull moment at the entrance gates. People are still tripping in. They are tripping in numbers. So ask your questions, a few questions really, so that we can move on to the next part of this live. For now, we're just showing you how welcoming our guests coming from across the globe. That's what we're doing for now on this particular live. For you to see that the program on the ground is officially open. And hurry with your state. Every state, Kano, Kaduna, Plateau, hurry down. So, people are coming with your tables, your chairs. You can see that. As And some are walking, if you can see the queue, the long queue from there, some are walking all the way down from that end down to the ground. Welcome, Purity from South Africa. Welcome, thanks for watching. You see the security persons making sure that everyone is following due diligence, even those that are, look at the bikes. They're making sure that they drop off passengers here, they go off the street, down to the other side immediately. No loitering, no waiting. It's a keep moving situation here. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Alright. It's such a busy atmosphere, honestly. It's a busy atmosphere. Everyone is coming in hopeful, and they will definitely leave blessed. Thank you so much for joining this live. Make sure you share this post, share this post, share this post, share this post. Let it go around, let it go around. Let's see what's going on here. Now the ground is officially open. So if you are still contemplating or doubting what's going on, it is happening here already. Of course, we'll talk to a couple of persons. Don't worry, we'll talk to a couple of persons. Alright. Hello ma'am, how are you? Welcome to Zion now.
Yeah.
What's your name and where are you from?
I'm from Imo State.
Interesting. Okigwe.
Yeah.
Welcome. Is this your first time experience?
No, I'm a Zionite soon.
Alright. So what are your hopes and dreams for this year's crusade?
Oh God. Anything that I carry on this place,
Yes.
God must surely do it for me. All the Zionites, not only me, all our problem, God will answer it. After fasting, 100 days fasting and prayer, God will surely answer us. Every problem we carry on this place, we will never carry it go back. In Jesus' mighty name.
Okay. Alright, wow, you're so excited to be here, honestly. This is a crowd of people walking through. Alright, so let's keep it moving. As I said, it's a keep walking situation. Keep walking. You saw when I stopped one person what it cost. The kind of crowd that it gathered, right? I wouldn't want it to be that way because I don't want to disrupt the security work that's going on here so that they can do their due checks. Yes, I know you want us to talk to persons, and we will have enough time to talk to a lot of persons here. Okay, we will have enough time to talk to a lot of persons here. Don't worry about that. Okay, Okay. So if I stop another person now and then the crowd gathers and the security come for me, I'll come for all of you. No, I'm just kidding. Alright. My mission here is just to make sure that you see how many, in fact, I'm sure if you were trying to count the people that walked into this ground, you've lost count. Because the crowd is not ending anytime soon and it's going to continue like this till evening, in fact till midnight, still through the morning. Early this morning, over 20 buses came as early as 5 a.m. I know you wonder how I saw that. I was awake. I don't sleep. I'm nocturnal like that. Okay? But yes, how many can we really show you? It's just the grace of God, to be honest. Alright, for those of you who are just joining, don't forget that we are reporting live from Zion City. Over there you can see Zenebak's stand is almost set and ready to go. So Zion City is not just for the pilgrims, it's for everyone from far and near. Zion City is for everyone. Hello ma'am, how are you? Welcome to Zion City.
Thank you.
What's your name and where are you from?
My name is Chinwe Obi. I'm from Calabar branch.
Ah, welcome. All the way from Calabar.
Yeah.
How would you say welcome in Calabar? I got you there. It's okay. Welcome.
Yes.
Okay, that's fantastic. All right, so, is this your first time coming for the crusade?
No.
You've been here 2024, 2025.
Yes.
What keeps you coming back?
The faith gives me. I love what is happening here. The prophecy, the songs, everything that the preaching, everything keeps me coming.
Where are Calabar Zionites? Where are they? Have they arrived or they're still on their way?
Many have arrived yesterday. So many are coming today too.
Interesting. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.
Have a nice day.
God bless you.
Zion, my home.
Okay. All right. So let's see if I can talk to more persons before we call it a day for tonight. For this moment. Let's see if we can talk to a few more persons here today. Okay. Hello. How are you? Can we meet you? What's your name and where are you from?
My name is Mary. I'm from Lagos.
Lagos. Okay, so you can see the northern Zionites are here as well. How was your trip?
Not too good because we had a little traffic at the
Oh, of course. The roads are never always 100% clear, but thank God you are here safe and sound. All right. So, so far so good. How are you feeling being here, and what are you hoping that people who are watching should take away from today's program, or from the crusade in general?
But I'm very happy being here. This is my first time of coming here, so I'm very happy. I wanted to be here and I've come today, and I give God all the glory. Anybody that is coming here, just expect God to do wonders in his or her life. Not looking up to any man, but to God.
Interested. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay. A few persons just arrived over there, as you can see. A few persons just arrived here. Yes, they are uploading. They are members. Yes, the security actually allow them packs to upload. Yes, so once they upload their things, they'll definitely direct them to the ground. You can see them stopping people, making sure that they do not cross the line. I told you that the security is not joking. You see the bikes working. I think I'm going to go talk to these bikes then, because they are more than, in fact, they have doubled from last year. They have doubled from last year to this point. hold this for me, please. What's your name and what branch just arrived?
Ama.
All right, what's your name and what branch just arrived now?
Amama Onechi, I think.
Okay.
Abia State.
Abia State. Oh, you guys, welcome. Welcome. Why are they running? How was your trip?
Thank God it was successful.
Where are the others? We're expecting the other people.
They are coming.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Interesting. This is your first time here. You seem very excited.
No, third time.
The third time.
I'm excited because God did a wonderful thing for me, the life of my son.
What?
We have had a testimony.
Ah, so we'll be seeing
I'm
you.
telling you.
Wow, that's amazing.
We have a testimony.
For his life?
On his life.
Wow, do you want to share a little bit here? A little bit.
And I make the doctor confirm him epilepsy.
Wow.
So God of Zion, I took him, we came last year, carrying him there last year. So God of Zion gave him for me.
Wow.
But that's
just like that.
Visual, everything vanished.
What did you do? Was it the prayers?
The prayer, yes, I was with faith, though. That time Daddy went to God bless. He healed that small boy, that miracle body.
Yes,
so
God healed him through
yes,
that.
so without faith. Without faith. I said, God, because you gave myself. So we came to last year to start.
Yeah.
So after everything, all the struggle, went to do so for prayer, everything. Then we went to the altar. Hey!
Go ahead.
We went to altar.
Yeah.
Early morning Sunday.
Yeah.
So I took his medicine. I went to the altar. I said, God, this boy is not going back.
Wow.
I'm not going to give him this medicine. I'm throwing it to the altar. Jehovah, let me get control. So my sister, after everything, we went back to Abba. The visual, everything just vanished like that.
Wow. Congratulations.
Come glory to God.
We will get more of this on the DJ. That's tomorrow.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Mom.
We can still see more of our Zionites coming through. More coming through. More coming through. More coming through. More coming through. Let's not obstruct security's work. More coming through by the way. More coming through. All right. It's still an exciting moment here, to be honest. I'm happy for what God is doing in the lives of a lot of people here. Let's capture those walking in. You can see how many they are. Carrying their bags and their mats. They're ready for the desert experience like no other. At Zion City, Ngorokpala 2026. And a lot of them are still trooping in from this way as well. Yep, and over there you have the chairs. You can see the chairs over there. Once they load them now, they carry them towards the ground. Once they brand each chair, as you're walking in, you have the right to take chairs to the tents. And in case the ones they've mounted for you is finished, don't worry, there are a lot of tents that already have chairs under them. So you can just go sit. No need to move those chairs because Zionites have taken their time to arrange these chairs under the tents and also in the field. So just sit and make yourself comfortable because that will be your home for the next 3 days. Okay? So yes, that's the chair report over there. That's the situation with the chairs. And thank you to all those who donated chairs, who donated sand for this crusade. God bless you and enrich you in the mighty name of Jesus. Of course, it's not too late if you want to still support. You can still go ahead and do that as well. Okay? God is truly amazing. God is truly amazing.
My people, you are welcome to this video now. As you can see in this video, Ngorokpala is happening now. It is the happening town in Imo State. The people that you watched in this video, all those people are live in Ngorokpala. You that is watching them, where are you? People have already started camping. People can't just wait, to come and you will stay in your house and be watching online. There is a big difference between watching online and being there live. I'm telling you nothing but the truth. When you are there live, you will see that the angels and God himself that are there in that ground will answer all your prayers. People have started camping in Ngorokpala. What are you doing, my brother, my sister? What are you still doing? If you are walking, why not take permission? You should have taken permission since. This program is tomorrow. It's happening tomorrow. Please do well to come. See, people are trooping in from different parts of the world. Asia, Europe, America, everywhere all around the world. People are coming to Zion City, Imo State, Ngorokpala for the 2026 100 days crusade. We have been fasting for almost 100 days now. Why don't we go and close this prayer? You see our sister that made this video, showing different people from different places. You think these people don't know what they're doing? They left all their business. No, they know what they're doing. They came looking for Jesus. They came looking for God to settle their issues. It is actually a privilege to be in the presence of God in Ngorokpala. A lot of people can't go, but they wish to go. Some people are in the hospital praying, God, can I go? How can I go? I want to be there. Some people are walking that they can't live, they can't even take permission. Please look out for a way to come to Ngorokpala. Do you know that you will never go home the same way you came? Evangelist Ebukobi said that it will be the highest crusade. It will be better than the last year own. A lot of healing will take place. A lot of things will happen in Ngorokpala. Because our Evangelist Ebukobi has been indoors for almost 3 weeks now, calling on God, telling God and all his angels, his armies, to come to Ngorokpala and settle his people who have been fasting for a very long time. It's not something you will just be watching online. You need to be present there. People are coming from different places. If you are still in Lagos State, please go to Zion in Lagos. You will see buses, free buses. They are very free. The buses are free. People have made it available. God used the evangelist Ebukobi to touch the heart of people that came out and donated all those buses. So there are a lot of free buses there. What are you still doing? Why don't you come? Go to Lagos Zion Ministry. Go and join a free bus. Pack your things and go. I'm promising you, even if Evangelist Ebukobi has promised that you will go there, you will come back, and you will not remain the same. Everything about you will change totally. Because he has called on all the armies of the angels of God, and God himself will be present there. You can imagine if God were present in that crusade. What are you doing? Please go with your family members. Go and seek the face of God. Whatever it is that you are believing God for, go there. God is there waiting for you. He will settle you and your family members. He will come through for you. That is what is happening in Ngorokpala. Now this is the live update. And please stay tuned and connected to this channel, because we'll be bringing you all the live updates. We will be bringing it both today, tomorrow, and next tomorrow. So stay tuned as you watch remember to share this video.